Liana ANSA. Let's learn ANSA. In this video, we are going to see how to remove logos, how to perform mid-surface extraction operation. Okay, and you will learn lots more things about the topology operation in these videos. And in the previous video, we have done a line manager, right? And after these videos, we will see more complicated object in which we will perform a mid-surface extraction and lots more things, right? And we will cover almost everything about the topology in the next video. But in this video, we are just going to see a demo, okay, on this small object. Now, in order to remove these logos, first we have to do is to identify the logos and their width and height, okay? So we can do that one from the utilities. Go to utilities and go to isolate and logos. Okay, in order to know the height of the logos, what you have to do is to measure, right? So in order to measure height, go over here, okay? In case node is not visible, then just make sure that you have selected this one. Now select another node. The maximum height is 0.25. So we are going to take that one. Select it, save it. Now we are going to put 0.3, right? So you can put 0.25 too, but it is better that you can keep a little bit higher values. Okay, maximum size of the logos is also required, but in your case just keep it as default values, okay, right? And if the logos is not selected in a complete way, or not a whole logos is selected, in that case you can just tweak the value of maximum size. Okay, just press OK. Now we are able to see that every part of the logos are over here. It means that height is correct, right? Now in order to remove these logos, we have to do another work. Go to faces, right? Inside the topo, go to faces, and here you have a remove logo option. Go to remove logo option and auto, right? If you select auto, then it will automatically find the logos and remove it, okay? Now, as previously in utilities you have given these values, this value is over here by default, so you can just select next, and now this one is highlighted over here. If you press next, then it will just remove all those, right? And then the logo will be isolated from the CAD models. Here we don't have any logos on the surface, right? Previously we had. Now finish the operation and bring all the CAD model. Okay, here we go. One thing is that if you want to remove surface manually, remove a logo surface manually, then you can just go to Perse or face and select all the logo surface, right? And it will remove those selected surface. Another way to remove the logos is go to remove logos and select per face, right? And select the surface on which the logos is made, right? Now we have selected that one. Now press middle mouse button. Now specify the maximum height of the logos. If you specify whatever the values you have, then that object will be removed. Okay, now press OK. Enter. See, all the logos are removed. So in this way you can remove the logos.